Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you how to fix volume icon missing from Taskbar in Windows 10. Basically, we're going to show you a few methods, so let's get started. First method, open the Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu and clicking the settings icon or gear icon. Next, find and click on Personalization. On the left pane, find and click on Taskbar. Now, scroll down and look for Notification Area. Under it, click on the link that says Turn System Icons On or Off, this one. On the list, search for Volume and make sure that it is on. Then go back to the previous window and scroll down. Find Notification Area again and then click the first link. Now search for Volume on the list and make sure that it is also turned on. That's it. Check if the issue has been resolved. If you still experience the problem, then proceed to the next solution. Second method, you need to right-click on a blank area on the taskbar. Next, select Task Manager. On the Task Manager window, search for a Windows Explorer. Here it is. Now you need to right-click on it and select Restart. After that, close the window and check if the issue has been resolved. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.